Hello children, so today we are going to do potato osmometer experiment. So for that materials required are alpins, petri dish, potato, peeler, knife, sugar solution, that is hypertonic solution, and ordinary water. So these are the materials required to do potato osmometer to prove osmosis. Okay, so now let us start with the experiment. Let us peel the skin of potato. So entire potato to be peeled. For that we can use peeler. So otherwise we can use simple knife also. The convenient tool you can use to peel the potato. Okay. So entire potato is peeled. Now the skin has been taken out. Now children, we have to make a cut here to trim the potato. On the other side also you have to make a cut. Then only you can make the potato to stand. Then you have to insert here to make a potato cup. Can you see how I am making that? Slightly you can take out, and later you can use the blunt knife, because if you are using sharp knife, no, it can puncture that. So slightly you can make the potato cup. Slowly you can take out. You have to carve and you have to make a cup like this. Here children, you make slowly, you carve out and take, and you should not puncture behind. Okay, so you have to make small carve and dig out and take the potato to make a good cup. See children, the cup has been made neatly. So now let us continue the experiment. So now we keep the potato in the petri dish. I am pouring the ordinary water outside. And here the sugar solution, no, I am pouring inside the potato. It is hypertonic solution. Outside solution is, that is normal water, it is hypotonic, and inside, no, it is hypertonic. So to show the mark, no, where the solution is, with the help of alpin we can mark out. Okay, so this is the place where the level of sugar solution is. So we have to keep the setup for 1.5 hours. So later we will come and observe. So what will happen after 1.5 hours? The water level will rise. So why the water level rise? So because outside is hypotonic, it is ordinary water. Inside is hypertonic. So because of that, water molecules will move from hypotonic to hypertonic. That is, here the sugar solution, as it is having sugar, it is showing tonicity more. Okay, the dissolved substances are more. That's why the water molecule will move from plain water to sugar solution. This one you call that as osmosis. After 1.5 hours, we will come and observe what happened to the solution. Observe children, the water level, it has been raised. So here once again I am showing the mark. So can you see the difference? The water level, it raised up. The water molecule from outside, it entered. Okay, so this one, the wall of the potato, it acts as semi-permeable membrane because it is made up of cells. All the cells, you know, they are made up of cell membrane, and the water molecule from out, it goes inside. So here one thing we have to do properly, the precautions to be undertaken. So while making the cut, no, the potato cup, you should not puncture anywhere. if you puncture the water, what you pour inside the sugar solution will go out. Okay, that you should be careful. And the other thing, so the bottom of the potato cup, no, it has to be thin. Then only the water molecule will move inside. Okay, because through the wall it won't go because the walls are thick. So here the bottom portion, no, so it has to be thin. So that's why through the bottom portion only the water molecules goes inside. Okay children, hope you must have understood the experiment. This experiment shows osmosis through potato